How to fix Walmart app not scanning clearance. If the Walmart app isn't scanning clearance items, here are steps you can follow to fix the issue. First of all, check location and camera permissions. Ensure your location and camera permissions are enabled for the Walmart app. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down to find the Walmart app and select the appropriate location access label. Ensure that the camera is also allowed access in your settings. Then force close the Walmart app and reopen it to refresh any potential glitches. After that, clear cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Walmart, then Storage option, and clear the apps cache to resolve any temporary issues. Finally, visit Walmart's website. If the app is still not working for scanning, you can check clearance items on Walmart's website as an alternative. This step should help resolve the scanning issue with the Walmart app.